Somebody please tell me why I just found out that sucking on this thing can get rid of the hiccups thanks to this new Shark Tank product. Look at this.
But this, I guarantee you, this will become part of everybody's medicine cabinet. Guaranteed, right? So I'll make you an offer, right? And I just want a yes or no.
But the way that it works, I don't have any water here, but you just put it in water, you drink through it, and it has a little hole here at the bottom. So it generates enough pressure to stop the spasms in your diaphragm that actually cause the hiccups. So if you get hiccups when you drink or just go out and eat like anything, apparently they don't exist anymore. So that's pretty great. Thank God for this doctor right here. If you guys don't believe me, I'll add it right here to the video. Check out the reviews for yourself. It's wild.